Hi, this is AVer from AVer. In this video, I will show you how to use the annotation and shape tools of the AVer software. In the toolbar, you can find from left the freehand tool, line tool, eraser, text tool, move tool, and shape tool. As I click on the freehand tool, my option panel shows 4 different line styles that I can use. So I choose the green line to start with. With the freehand tool, I can do annotations like circling the even numbers in this exercise. Each circle I made becomes an object. So when I click on the move tool icon to change back to cursor mode, I can right-click on the circle and find a list of options associated with this object. Now back to the exercise. I think the green line is too plain, but looks like I only have 4 options. No sweat. I can change the style of my line by going up to the window menu and select Property panel. In the Property panel, I can modify its color and the thickness, then the style to a dotted line. And you can see the originally green line in the option panel has been customized to a new style. Now I'm happy with my new line style, so I can continue with finishing the exercise. Here I have a clock exercise. To work on this, I want to use the line tools. So I click on the line tool icon to see what line options I have. Actually, I need a line with an arrow. So I first pick a line that I want to modify, then go to the Property panel and customize this line so it ends with an arrow. Okay, now I can start to draw the hands of the clock and complete this exercise. Next, I want to create my own teaching material on the new page. First, I want to type in some text. So I click on the text tool icon, then I select the font style I like, and then I move my cursor to where I want to start typing. If I want to modify the text, I first click on the Move tool to change back to the cursor mode. Then I double-click on the text I want to modify. Now the text is in Modify mode, so I can make changes now. I want to show the text in a single line, so still in Modify mode, I drag the edge of the text box to make it bigger. I can still change the color and font of my text at this stage. Here I want to change all text at once, so I first select them all, then change the color to a dark green in the Property panel, then go to the Text tab. Here I can change the font, style, and size of my text. For now, I just want to make my text bold. Done. Now, I want to draw some shapes under the text. First, I click on the Shape tool icon. Since I cannot find the shape that I need here, I go to the Shape tab in the Property panel and select the shape that I need, which is an isosceles triangle. Then I can easily create the shape on my page. I also want to draw a right angle triangle, so I change the shape again in the Property panel and draw one under the text where it says right angle triangle. Here's the teaching material that I just made using AVer. Angle X can be found with the given angle measurements. I can change my question simply by erasing the given measurements. So I click the Eraser tool icon to see my options. The top 3 options are the different sizes of the eraser. I can use it to erase the freehand lines on the page. Or I can choose to erase all freehands, all shapes and lines, the whole page, or the background image. And of course, I can always undo what I just did by selecting Undo from the Edit menu, or simply by pressing Ctrl Z on my keyboard. So this is how you use the annotation in shape tools of the AVer software.